Ever wondered what lies above us, beyond the clouds? Well, it's the atmosphere, an essential shield that protects us and supports life on our beautiful planet. This magnificent cloak of gas is not just one big blanket. Oh no, it's divided into distinct layers, each with its own set of unique characteristics and functions. From weather patterns to bouncing off radio waves, these layers perform a myriad of tasks that are crucial for our survival. Let's take a journey through the sky, layer by layer. Scene script. First stop, the troposphere. Imagine stepping into a gigantic elevator, traveling upwards from the surface of the Earth. The first layer we encounter is the troposphere. It's the layer we're most familiar with, though we might not realize it. It's where all the weather action happens, from the gentlest of breezes to the most ferocious of storms. The troposphere is the lowest layer of our atmosphere. It starts at the Earth's surface and extends upwards to about 8 to 15 kilometers. The exact height varies with the latitude and the season. It's a bit like a crowded party, holding around 80% of the total mass of the Earth's atmosphere. Now, here's a fun fact. The troposphere is a bit of a rebel when it comes to temperature. Unlike the layers above, the temperature in the troposphere decreases as you ascend. So the higher you go, the cooler it gets. This is because the troposphere is primarily heated from the ground up, as the Earth's surface absorbs sunlight and radiates heat. But it's not just about the air in the troposphere. This layer is also home to water vapor, the main player in our weather systems. It's what forms the clouds and the rain, and is a crucial part of the Earth's water cycle. So the troposphere is quite an important, bustling place. It's our weather factory, our air supply, and our connection to the rest of the atmosphere. Next time you look up, remember, you're gazing into the troposphere. Moving up, we find ourselves in the stratosphere. This layer of our atmosphere is like a silent guardian, playing an essential role in our planet's well-being. It sits there, above the troposphere, between 6 to 31 miles above the Earth's surface, and does something quite remarkable. It absorbs the majority of the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, preventing them from reaching the surface and causing damage to all forms of life. But how does the stratosphere do this? The answer lies within a special component of this layer, known as the ozone layer. The ozone layer, composed mainly of a type of oxygen molecule called ozone, is our planet's sunscreen. It absorbs about 98% of the sun's harmful ultraviolet light, which if reached the Earth's surface, could cause skin cancer and cataracts in humans and harm to the aquatic ecosystem. But here's the thing, our ozone layer is not invincible. Human activities, especially the release of certain chemicals, can deplete this protective layer, leading to what we call ozone holes. This is why it's so crucial for us to take steps to protect this layer, for our health, for the health of our planet, and for future generations. So, the next time you step out into the sunlight, remember, you're able to do so safely because of this incredible layer of our atmosphere. The stratosphere, our shield from the sun's harmful rays. Ever seen a shooting star? That's the mesosphere at work. The mesosphere, the third layer of our atmosphere, is a dazzling display of nature's fireworks. It's the stage for the spectacular light show we call meteor showers. As meteors hurtle towards Earth, they meet the mesosphere, and that's when the magic happens. Meteors, those streaks of light racing across the night sky, are pieces of cosmic debris that burn up in the mesosphere. You see, the mesosphere is a tough gatekeeper. Its lower density compared to the layers below means that meteors traveling at high speeds generate a lot of friction. This friction creates intense heat, causing most meteors to incinerate before they can reach the Earth's surface. But don't let the meteors steal all the limelight. The mesosphere itself is a fascinating place. It's incredibly cold, with temperatures that can plunge to minus 100 degrees Celsius. That's colder than the surface of Mars. Despite this chill, the mesosphere is also home to the highest clouds in our atmosphere, known as noctilucent clouds. These shimmering ethereal clouds are a spectacle in themselves, painting the twilight sky with their silvery glow. So the next time you wish upon a shooting star, remember the mesosphere. It's more than just a backdrop for celestial fireworks. It's a layer of our atmosphere that's busy protecting us from the onslaught of space debris. The mesosphere, a silent sentinel against the cosmic debris. Finally, we reach the thermosphere, the gateway to outer space. This is the atmospheric layer that truly heats things up. Here, temperatures can soar to a staggering 2,000 degrees Celsius. But don't let that fool you into thinking it's warm. The air density is so low, you'd hardly feel the heat. The intense temperature is due to the high-energy solar radiation absorbed by the sparse gas particles. This energy transfer causes the particles to move faster and thus heat up. It's like a cosmic dance with the sun and the gas particles constantly in motion. In this realm of fiery particles and high temperatures, something quite extraordinary resides. The International Space Station. Orbiting approximately 400 kilometers above Earth, the station provides a platform for scientific research, quite literally out of this world. But the thermosphere isn't just a home for human-made satellites. It's also the canvas for some of Earth's most breathtaking natural phenomena, the northern and southern lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis and Aurora Australis, paint the polar skies with their ethereal glow. These beautiful displays are caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with atoms and molecules in the thermosphere, generating a spectrum of vibrant colors. From here, we're on the edge of space, looking down on the layers that make life on Earth possible. So that's our journey through the Earth's atmosphere. We've explored the troposphere, our very own home, and experienced the stratosphere, our planet's shield. We've ventured into the mesosphere, the final frontier for meteors, and reached the thermosphere, our gateway into infinite space. Each layer, unique and vital, forms the protective envelope around our Earth. It's a beautiful symphony of science and nature. Next time you gaze at the sky, remember the complex layers that protect us, give us weather, and connect us to the cosmos.